From the company BrilMaison, it's a 52-inch 3-blade tri-blade sailing fan with light. They come in a number of colors. Do check online. We're going to unbox the fan, show you what you get inside the package, an instruction guide. The blades nicely packaged, individually packaged, the pole to hang, and in the inside you have here's the LED cover, the cosmetic cover and motor with the light module, the hanging bracket with ground lead for the gimbal, the LED light, the cover, transmitter remote control, and hardware included 2 AAA batteries. Last but least, the hardware kit. These are the blade made of plastic with perforation little designs over here. You have a choice of the gimbal to remove and place on the longer pole or short pole. It is a black polished finish made of metal. And 30-minute installation. It comes with easy to follow instructions. It gives you a parts list as well as how to install your sailing fan. It is a 52-inch sailing fan with an optional 8-inch shaft to hang up. This is the low shaft. It has a remote control, 6 speeds, also with a wind breathing mode, meaning if you're outdoor and the breeze starts to blow, this will imitate outdoor breezes. It'll go in a random order, 1, 3, 2, 4, so forth. It has a very quiet motor. It's for summer, blowing down air as we have it. And we have here is the reverse button. It gives an audible beep, slows down, and does a check. It has 3 kelvins. It has the warm, medium, and cool kelvins. The light is independent from the fan. You could turn the light on and off, and you could dim or increase the brightness level of the light. As the fan is in a low level and in winter mode, we have a timer of up to 4 hours. We have it on the wind blowing. As you can see, increase and decrease to get it off and go to speed number 1, and that is what we're on. What we're going to do now is shut the fan off and do some measurements for you and show you what the fan is about. The fan from the sailing to the light fixture is 12 inches. We have here is the 8-inch pole. It'll give an additional 6 inches to the fan's height, measuring 18 inches in. Each of the fan blades from the light to the end is 26 inches. The light diameter is about 7 1/4 inches. The cosmetic cover alone is 3 inches, and the pole to this piece is 5 inches. Enjoy your fan if this is something that you are looking for your household appliance and furniture needs. Thank you for viewing.